What's up, my dudes?
Alright, part 3, do-it-yourself guitar build. So what we're doing today is taking this hole here, the neck pickup hole, and we're going to make it to fit a humbucker. So yeah, the humbucker is just like 2 single coil pickups, and that was built for a single coil, so we just need to make it wider. So what we're going to be using is this handy dandy Dremel tool with a router bit, like a multi-cut router bit on it. Yeah, but it just cuts wood. Like, you know, you can cut through stuff instead of drilling a hole. It like you can cut through it. So that's what we got going on. We're gonna go outside because of the sawdust issue. We don't want sawdust all over the house, so that's what we're gonna do. So before we go outside, we gotta basically draw what we're cutting out, you know, to give ourselves a guide. I'm going to use this as our template. I don't have a trim bit for this Dremel tool, so I'm going to have to like, I can't use anything as a guide. I just have to cut it out and put my artistic abilities to the test. So the way this mounts, it mounts basically, it doesn't mount to the guitar, it'll mount to the pickup guard, right? So it'll mount in here like that. So we get the humbucker and then the pickups, it's going to mount to the plate, just like the regular neck one would on the other telly. So basically all we have to do is cut out this square and then kind of cut out a little notch right here for the screws and this little thing, this little bracket on the base, right? So that's what we're going to do right now, is just trace this on the guitar. We're just going to line this up where it goes. There's no drill holes yet. I mean, not in the body, so we'll have to drill holes in the actual wood. So what we're trying to do here is line it up best we can with the neck pocket and make sure it's pretty even. And trace that out. I'm going to have this pencil is no bueno. I should just use a regular number 2 pencil. It's all good. Now we're almost done, man. We got that. Probably what we're going to end up doing is put a center mark where those holes are, and what we'll do is put a quarter, maybe not a quarter, maybe a nickel, and just draw that circle on there. We're not going to video that; it's redundant. But so that's kind of what we're doing. All right, we got our big guard, and so we just drew just a little square around here that we're going to drill out.
Dad, I think this area right here is too wide.
It's going to be covered with the pick guard, so that's just kind of to accommodate for the other pickup. But you know, we'll have this like kind of this weird notch at the top, but it's going to be covered by the pick guard anyway, so it's all going to be good. Let's get to drilling. Alright, so we're outside. I actually changed the way I drew this, so you know, just to compensate for the screw holes and stuff. I don't know if you can see that, but I made the box bigger, just made it even, like basically lined up here with the holes of the single coil, and just kind of extended it a little bit so everything will fit in there without any real problems. So we're going to switch to time-lapse. I'm going to take this and just cut it out. It's at its deepest setting, which is almost to the bottom of this cutout, so it's not going to make a whole lot of difference. Like I said, it's like almost touching, like just barely off of that. So it's deep enough, and I got it set as deep as the Dremel tool will allow me to go. And we're going to go to some time-lapse.
The magic of editing.
car complete. We finished it, and so I've got a hole here, big enough for my humbucker. It's not going to win any cutting awards. I mean, that's you know, it is what it is, but I'm freehanding it, right? So maybe I'm not the greatest tattoo artist, but it's gonna fit. We got the humbucker. It's you know, just real nice, snug in the hole. That's what we wanted it to do. There's a little room for wires and all that good stuff. And it's gonna just dump right on this on there. That's our cat. She loves to play guitar too. Not really, she just started recording. But yeah, so yeah, that's kind of what we're gonna have. Just like that. So alright, we'll see you guys next time when we do a little sand on this thing. Alright, see you guys later.
Yeah.